Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman coming at you with a detailed video today on the Uber sign-up process. What you need to know, what you need to have, what you need to do, what your last name needs to be. Just kidding, that doesn't matter at all. Alright, hey, before we get started with that though, I would like to do this. I'd like to help you earn some extra money. That's what I want to do. So if you go to the video description below, scroll down, scrolling, you're gonna find a link there for Cargo Snack Box. You click on that, you use our sign-up code RideshareHub1, the number 1, and what that is, basically it's a box that sits in your vehicle. It's full of great snacks that your passengers can purchase through the app, and so it keeps their tummies happy. It makes you some extra money. Most drivers, the average driver makes like $100 extra a month. Yeah! And the top 10% of earners make $300 a month. So if you drive a lot, that's perfect. Check it out, get signed up, make that extra money. Voila. All right, hey, let's get right into this thing. So we're talking about the Uber sign-up process. I'm going through it right now because, you guys, the first time I tried to sign up for Uber, I got stonewalled. Boom, I got boxed out. And why is that? Why did I get boxed out? Well, it's because when I originally signed up for Uber 3 years ago, the deal was that I had a Wyoming driver's license. I was living in California, and found out that the requirement was I had to have a valid driver's license of the state that I was living in. Made sense. And so I went in, got my Cali driver's license. Their mistake. I'm just kidding. And so I had the paper copy. I uploaded that to the app. I did the same thing with Lyft. And basically, because one of the requirements is that you have at least 1 year of driving experience in the U.S., it didn't prove that, right? It didn't show that. So they were like, hey, send us proof that you've been driving for more than 8 minutes since you just got this paper copy of your driver's license. So I sent them, and they went through a third party. I don't know if they still do. I'll let you know because I'm going through it. Yeah, I don't think so, however. I just uploaded my driver's license onto the app, and so it's a little bit of a different system now. Anyway, whatever. So I sent him in a picture of my old driver's license from Wyoming, and I didn't hear anything back. And so I emailed customer service, and I was like, here's the deal. And they were like, oh, okay, go ahead and try and resubmit that photo. And also send it to us and we'll submit it for you. So I did both. Another 5-6 days, week, nothing. I'm like, what the heck? Email back, listen, I've already done this, I'm trying to get this approved. This is really annoying. Also, is there a number I can call anyone? They're like, no, there's not. We just do email here because we suck like that. And so anyway, I sent it in again a third time. We're going on 3 weeks now and still not getting pushed through. So I was already signed up with Lyft by this time, and I was like, forget it, yo, I'm out. Deuces. Peace. So now, because of recent changes with Lyft, and I want to make more money, I have decided to go through this Uber sign-up process again. So that's why I'm making this video. Alright, so here's what you need to know about getting signed up for Uber. The first thing you need to know is that you need to have a sign-up bonus code so that you can make some extra cash to start driving, because that'd be a waste of time and energy and money if you didn't do that. So also in the video description, you'll find a sign-up link for Uber. You can click on that, download the app if you haven't started the sign-up process yet. Use the code there to get signed up, get a sign-on bonus, make that extra cash. And if you've signed up like myself, but you haven't started driving yet, so you signed up initially, you made a profile, you went through everything, but you didn't get cleared, you didn't start driving, you can use what's called a retroactive sign-up bonus. We have videos on the channel about that, so just search for that and find it, and you'll figure out how to do that. Alright, so that's the first thing you need to do so you can get some extra money. Okay, second thing, boom. meet the minimum age to drive in your city. So, I actually don't know what that is in Phoenix, but I'm above it. To find any information that pertains to your city, because there are a lot of things that vary per city, you can just do a Google search. Minimum age to drive in Miami, Uber. It'll come up. You'll find it. All right. Number 2. So, like I said before, you have to have at least a year of driving experience, but there is a caveat to that. You must have 3 years if you are under the age of 23. Sorry, young guns. That's the rule. And number 3, a valid U.S. driver's license. Now, I think, so truth. With Lyft, their requirement, it's on their website, is that you just have to have a valid U.S. driver's license. It does not matter which state it is from. Fun fact, so that has now changed. I think, per the wording with Uber here, it's the same thing. And I'm also going to find that out because I still have my Cali driver's license, and now I live in Arizona. So we'll see. But I'm pretty sure because I uploaded it, and it looks like I got a green check mark. So I think it's good to go. Although I do live here in Arizona now, so I should update that. I'm working on it. Don't judge me. All right, here's what else you need. You need an eligible 4-door vehicle. And where to find that info? Again, just Google search eligible vehicles for Uber in enter your city. Okay, so do that. A list will pop up. Here in Phoenix, you have to have a vehicle that's 15 years old or newer. And here's a good thing to keep in mind. I know this has gotten some people. You cannot have a rebuilt or salvaged title. That is important. You cannot have that, okay? Good to know. Then you got to have insurance for your vehicle. That's smart, right? Definitely need to have that. Even though Uber and Lyft do have you covered, well, you still have to be a driver. You have to have personal insurance. But if you have a rider in your vehicle and you're in an accident, Uber and Lyft have $1 million insurance policies to cover things. Fingers crossed, knock on wood, that does not happen to you. We don't want that here with our drivers on the Rideshare Hub. Now, interestingly enough, the stipulation thing that you need that has the biggest amount of stipulations, you ready for this? Try and guess. Think about it. What have I not spoken about yet? It's your driver photo. Right? There's a long list of requirements for that. I was surprised. You must be forward facing. Can't be turned around, so not a picture of your behind. A centered photo, full face, and top of shoulders. Very specific. With no sunglasses. That is well lit, in focus, and it cannot be a photo of a photo. I'm like, dang, that's a lot of stuff. I'm sure they had each and every one of those things come up. But it makes sense, right? This is so that your passengers can recognize you if they look at you at a glance, so it's for their safety and protection. Interesting thought. I think as a requirement, I just had this thought. Let me know if you guys agree in the comments section below. Should passengers be required to upload a photo with the same kind of parameters? I think so. That would help alleviate safety things, right? Because I get a lot of rides where I look and there's no photo, or it's a garbage photo. I think that's good. I think so. Okay, cool. If you don't have a vehicle, you can rent or lease a vehicle. They do have a program with that. That's for another video. I'll cover that kind of stuff. But it's good to know if you want to start driving and you don't have a vehicle. Okay, and then if you do have your vehicle, all right, the other thing that you have to do is you have to take that vehicle in for an inspection, and they're going to look it over. You must have 4 doors, okay? You must have at least 5 seats. Your seat belts must work. They'll check out other things. There can't be any commercial licensing on your vehicle, so it can't be like Geico or Mike's Hard Lemonade all over the outside of your vehicle. And it has to be in relatively good cosmetic shape, so you can't have like a big old, like your bumper can't be missing, or it can't be duct taped on. Maybe that would pass. I don't know. All right, you guys. So that's what you need for your Uber sign-up process. Wish me luck as I go through this, because I need to get signed up with Uber so I can start driving with both Uber and Lyft and make some extra money. All right. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop down in the comment section below. Get at me. You guys are awesome. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, everybody, drive safe out there.